This is Jean with New Orleans Potions Cosmetics, and this video I'm going to show you how to make a cream eyeshadow using TKB's Mousse Medium. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to measure out 1 1/4 teaspoon. And when you open the mousse, make sure you squeeze it back and forth just to stir it before you use it. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze out 1 1/4. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my spatula to scoop that out. Okay. Right. So that's your 1 1/4 teaspoon. And then the next thing we're going to put is just 1 tad of gold fine mica. And I use all these little measuring scoops that I get from TKB Trading. It's a tad, a dash, a pinch, a smidge, and a drop, and there's 5 of them. So we are going to put 1 tad gold fine. There it goes. And then we are just going to stir it. Now, since you're just using a mica powder, all you have to do is stir this into the mousse medium. If you were putting pigments in here, you would have to wet the pigment first before you put it in here with just a little bit of 91% alcohol. And that was very easy. I'm going to show you what the color looks like. Get enough on here. So that's your gold. And what this does is once it's dry, it dries to a very soft powder look. So if you're, you can store this in a jar if you want, but I get these from TKB Trading and I put it in here. You can almost kind of pour it in because it's very liquid, but a lot of times what I'll do is I'll take these Jello shot syringes and I'll cut the top of this off and then I'll attach it to this, and then that way the bottom piece fits all the way down to the bottom of the lip gloss, and you can fill it from the bottom up. And if you use this one, I would not fill it past this, because if you do, the wand won't fit in back into the lip gloss tube. Okay, that was very easy. Cream eyeshadow using TKB's Mousse Medium, and this was Gold Rush.